welcome to my channel. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new, but regardless, welcome. That was a stupid introduction. Can we erase and try again? Hello, welcome back, or welcome. Oh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a quick 10-minute get ready with me, and I'm going to be under scrutiny. I'm going to be under a timer. So this is the look I created in 10 minutes. I don't know how I did it. I could tell you that right now I'm a sweat bomb. I'm disgusting right now. Like, I am so freaking hot. Like, that was almost an intense 10 minutes of my life. And I swear to God, it went faster than when I was watching Christine Dominique do this video. I've seen this video before, but she's done like a 5-minute one, which I'm not even going to attempt that unless you guys want to see that. I don't know how we'll do that one, because this 10-minute one was something else. Like, whew, that's all I can say. This was something else. So if you guys want to see how to get this real fast look in under 10 minutes, keep watching and stay tuned to crack up at me and have like anxiety, because I was watching her do this yesterday and I was having anxiety for her. And now that I'm in the seat, it's like, whoa, I see what she means. So here we go, guys. You're gonna see me show some clips, but when I hit that start button, that's it. There's no editing after that. There's no nothing. There's no stopping. It's just go, go, go. And I have no clue. I have to watch the video to see if I even messed up anywhere. I missed something. Obviously, I didn't do lashes because that was fast. That just went fast. That's it. It just went fast, guys. It was too fast. All right, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get started. So stay tuned. I don't know. Just stay tuned. Watch. Okay, so here goes nothing for this 10-minute quick glam for whatever occasion you need to go to. I did my brows because, you know, that does take a little longer. But if you need a quick brow, then the quickest thing to use is a brow pencil. So definitely have that handy to do a quick one. Other than that, I think that's the longest it takes, because even eyeshadows is gonna be a little bit more. So once I hit the timer on my phone, it is on like Donkey Kong. Okay, so let's hope that I get all this stuff on this face by that time. Wish me luck, because I know I'm gonna be a nervous wreck. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Excuse my burn. I don't know what's going on with me. First, my other curling iron decides to attack me. My old one that broke, and now the new one decided to attack me. I don't know. I think what's going on is that I changed the direction that I'm curling the one in the front, and I'm curling it in, and it's not going good. It's not going good, because look at this. And then we have a little friend here too. Like, really? Of all the days? I mean, obviously I film every week, so come on. Can we just not? Can we? Can you? Alright, we're about to start. So once I hit the start button, it said I cannot edit this, I cannot do anything, and let's hope to God I get everything on. So let me skip myself a little forward. Hold on a second. I have things in my lap. Okay. I should have just scooped in the thing, right? But I need to be closer to everything here. Alright, I'm nervous. Yes, I'm nervous. Alright, here we go. I'm ready to get started. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna prime the face real quick. I'm using the Tatcha. Oh my God, I forgot. But I'm using the Tatcha. And I should have used something quick like she did. She used like a spray, but honestly, I'm going out somewhere later and I need this face to be on. Simple as that. So I'd rather use the good stuff than use the spray and be a disaster later on. Okay, so we got that done. Now let's go in with foundation. Infallible from L'Oreal. Yeah, okay, yeah. I see what she means. This is very nerve-wracking. You look like a fool doing this. But it's all good because we're gonna get it done. Okay, I mean, I gotta exaggerate there. You just booty sponge. Get that all mixed in. Hope for the best. Oh yeah, I see what she means. You want to get a heart attack. I get you, Kristen. I get you. You know, I don't know what I was thinking when I saw her video. I've seen this video before, but I was like, yeah, nah, let me try it out. Was I nuts? I think I was nuts. Make sure you get all the way down. You don't want to look like a crazy raccoon. Can we just get you, like cover you up a little bit? So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little bit different. Like I said in the introduction, instead of using like 1 or 2 colors, I'm actually gonna do 3 on my eyes. So let's hope that this works. Okay, since I have dark under circle, I have to go in with this because if not, they won't go away. Please, my middle finger. My middle finger is the best one for dabbing away. Okay. Holy crap. And then there's no speeding this up either, There's no editing, there's no speeding up. Now let's wipe my finger real quick and go in with the Huda Overachiever under eye concealer, just concealer. Well, yeah, under eye concealer. There, why not? Okay. Excuse the noises and the faces because I'm trying to do this quick. Oh, why did I do this? Of all the days, I woke up a little out of it today, a little like down, and I guess I wanted to switch up my emotions from down to completely nuts. So yeah, that's what I did. Okay, so let's go in with the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I've been using this. This is my 3rd time, and I actually really love it. I need to try out the Beauty Bakery one. I bought that one and I have not tried it because I saw this one and I said, why not? Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the rest of my face with this because it's been working and it's really good. So now I just turn it the other way. Oops, I was supposed to use this side. And then I just set everything into place. I have no idea how much time I have. I don't want to stop to look. I wanna put a timer like she did on the thing, but I'm not sure if I know how to do that. So if you don't see it up there, I'm so sorry, but trust me, I'm telling the truth. You could see it in the freaking fact that I'm rushing like a lunatic. Okay, let's look at the time. Oh, we have, what? 5 minutes and a half. Oh my God, are you crazy? Okay, let's go in with a little bit of bronzer. How did that take so many minutes? Oh my goodness, there's no way. I'm already sweating. I should have looked at the timer. That was a big mistake. Big freaking mistake. Okay, let's go in with the eyeshadows and pray for the best. I'm going in with the Nubian, this one. And let's do this up here. And over here. A little bit in the corner. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, and might as well multi-function and get the darker color. And use the same brush because I don't have time to put this down. This is pretty though. I like it. Goodness. Oh my goodness. How can that many minutes pass? Okay, let's go in with this one. Let's lighten this up right here. Oh gosh, I'm not gonna make it. No, I'm not. It's so hard to talk and do this at the same time. I'm sorry, I'm not even looking at you guys or interacting, but good Lord, you should try this out. See how it goes. Let's try to intensify the corner a little bit with a little darker one. A different brush. It's pretty. Oh, I would definitely rather use this with more time. Let's go back and try to fix this up a little. Okay. Oh my goodness, alright, let's put some blush on. Oh, of course you wouldn't want to open now, would you? No. Why would you want to open for me? Oh yeah. I don't know if this is going to look good for later. Okay. That's actually pretty. Not too bad. Let's contour a little bit, just a teeny bit. Oh my goodness. And then this room is like super hot too to top it all off. So I can contour their nose just a little. Okay. Let's go ahead and go on with this. Oh yeah, everything's about to start falling everywhere. This highlighter from Ofra. It's these two. This is from the Naked Tutorials. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Nice, pretty. Get it in the middle. A little bit up here. Not too much. It's too much. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how much time I have. I wanted to do lashes. I don't think that's going to happen. So let's just go in with some mascara. Oh jeez. Oh, I think it's gonna rain soon. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. Oh my god, she wasn't kidding. This is like a rush. A little bit on the bottom. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm covering you guys. That is so rude of me. Okay, let's do a little bit of lip just in case we don't have any more time. Take off this gloss. I like to put some to hydrate my lips. Okay, okay. Oh my god, that's a very light look, isn't it? This is next. Oh, this is pretty. This is from my lower box. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, we got a minute and a half. Can I do liner in a minute and a half? Let's try, guys. Let's try. Oh, I put my mascara already. Do you know what? We could do it. Small strokes. Small strokes. And go out. Oh, that was a little crooked. But it's okay. That's not too bad. Okay, let's go out. I don't know what I'm doing here. And let's come. Yeah, always one wants to be bolder than the other one. This is so you can see anything's possible. That even if you put mascara on, you can definitely come back with an eyeliner. Bring it out. Oh my god, I am sweating. I am sweating. Jesus, why am I sweating? Where the heck is the brush? Oh, here it is. Let's go ahead and just try and darken a little bit right here. Since I still have a little time. Oh my god. I want to breathe, but I can't. Oh yeah, and it's setting spray. Scroll that. Where the heck is it? It's right here. It's right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how much time do I have? Where are you? Flip over. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. I didn't do too bad, did I? Oh Jesus, this is like a little light glam. A little light glam. People, I did everything. Oh my god. How do I hit stop? Okay. I don't know how I did it. Oh my goodness. That's not bad. That's not bad, right? It's not bad, not bad. Oh my goodness. Wow, I really did sweat. And I mean, these lights are something else. But, whew, that made me sweat. I didn't do too bad. Oh my goodness. Wow. I wanted to put eyelashes because I have them there, but it was not going to happen. I don't know. I know that I did some different steps that she didn't do, so I think that's what happened. If you guys could just see the mess here. that thing right now. Okay, so that was my quick 10-minute get ready with me for any occasion, little light holiday, or you can deepen this up and have a quicker holiday. I mean, a quicker holiday. Or you can lighten this up for a light look, like I did, obviously. So thank you for watching me. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can come back and enjoy some more of my crazy videos. And I think that's it. So guys, take care. Have yourself a rest of a good day or a rest of a good week. Take care.